Hello everyone, Ejection here from GetitunboxTV, and I got good news for you guys. Today we are going to unbox the Tecno Spark 6. Finally we got our hands on it, and the good news is we are getting upgrades in GPU and CPU section. So let's quickly check this out, and really, and you can see a fact, we need to appreciate the Tecno series, the Spark series. We should appreciate the Tecno company to providing us an update. This is really, you can say, a huge upgrade from Helio A22 from Tecno Spark 5 Pro in Tecno Spark 6. So let's quickly unbox and see what we are getting with our device. So here we have the box, the branding on the top, and let's quickly peel it off. This time I was careful. Let's quickly peel it off. Okay, and the final seal we have. Okay, it's done. Right, lift up the top section. Today it took time. So again, same feature, and one thing I wanted to mention you guys, that they have mentioned 5000 mAh here, but although on the official side it's 6000 mAh battery. Okay, so we got everything again mentioned on top on the sticker. Okay, it's time to check what are we getting with the package. All right, so first thing we'll notice, we have the SIM ejector tool. Then we got the common 12 plus 1 month warranty, safety information, and finally a silicone case which will give us the idea of camera module and the fingerprint scanner, which is mounted on rear. What else are we getting with the box? Let's quickly check it. Alright, so we got the micro USB cable, and wow, finally again we got the hands-free. I like this about Tecno, they do provide their series with hands-free. And let's talk about the power dock, what we have. Okay, one thing I wanted to say, it supports 18 volts fast charge, but the dock provides 10 volts charger for now. We'll have to have a new one to charge our mobile faster. So let's check the mobile. Okay, again same thing. Let's quickly peel it off. I'm gonna do this way a new time. Now let's talk about the back side. Alright, so the backside camera module looks like this. It is the comet black color, which I like the most, and the color and the module looks so good. Let's turn it on and let's see if we have a juice in it, and I'm gonna skip this area and get back to you guys quickly. We're on. Let's quickly insert our fingerprint scanner. Before do that, we'll need to put a pin code. I'm gonna keep it simple. Okay, let's check the fingerprint scanner. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and it is indeed the faster one I have ever seen. They didn't ask to readjust the fingerprint. I'm gonna skip the face unlock, and let's quickly skip this area again. So we do have the power button on the right, volume rockers, and the 3.5mm headphone jack in the USB port. Okay, and the mic. Lastly, one thing which I noticed, it is the mono speaker which is on the top, and the combination looks fine, the ergonomics looks great. And let's check the SIM ejection situation. So we do have a hybrid slot, but first we'll notice that we do have the water repellent seal, okay, which will prevent the water go inside. Then the micro SD card slot, 2 SIM slots at the time. Okay, we can see the fingerprint scars on the back, and this is the TPU case pre-provided, and it's good. Like, it will cover the edges, of camera module, and we can see easily it's pretty covered around the circle. And let's quickly get inside. First thing we'll check the selfie camera. So the selfie came out great. I pretty liked it, and I can see much detail, even though it's 8 megapixel camera, but even I can say it did a good job. Let's talk about the bokeh effect. And if we take a close look, bokeh shot came out perfect. I can see the Bluetooth speaker on the back side is kind of blur, which looks fine to me. Now let's talk about the macro camera. The macro camera shot came out pretty well. I can say I can read the steps and the distance and everything. They did a good job on the macro shot, even though it's a 2 megapixel camera. And now if we talk about the rear camera, the rear camera shot, really interestingly, you can say came out well. Out of the box, it comes out with Android 10, indeed a good sign. And if you take a look at the storage we got 64 gigs of variant with 4 gigs of RAM. Everything is mentioned there. This is it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you do so, please give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Peace out.